Hey guys, and welcome to another Fishing Planet video. So today we're just gonna be fishing from the kayak, and you can see that I'm trying to do the trophy trout spinner lure mission. So I need to catch a 15-pound 0.5 trout, and I'm using the bullet spinner. So now I haven't anchored, so we'll see if a fish takes this on. It will sort of tow the kayak around, which should be lots of fun. So let's just cast that straight, and we're gonna let it sink to the bottom, and we'll do like a slow retrieve, and we'll see if we catch anything. So what I'll do is I'll lift the rod, which is a right click, and we'll do like a twitching motion. So we do a bit of a reel and a stop and a reel and a stop. It's like a lift and drop motion. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Lift and drop motion. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Gonna let it sink, and we'll just bring it in. We'll just cast just towards the bank there. Again, we'll just try a different technique this time. So I'm not going to lift the rod, I'm just going to do a stop and go on the bottom there. I'm going to try to keep it at 3 dots as much as I can. Stop and go. Stop and go. Stop and go. Stop and go. And we'll just bring it in. Oh, Atlantic salmon, $354, 7.8 pound. Alright guys, it's gonna row a bit further out, and what we'll do is we'll just fish parallel to the bank, try to get a better fish. Just row and row and row, and just drop anchor just to stop the boat, the kayak, and again we'll just cast it straight as far as we can. Maybe I'll just do just a straight slow this time. Nope. Just gonna switch to the spoon, just because it sinks a bit better. So we'll try 1.5 ounce medium spoon, the Red Tiger, and maybe we'll just cast towards the hut over there. This should sink quite quickly. rewind, twitching motion, twitch, twitch, twitch. And here we go, we got something. That seems, it's not really. Yellow perch, $66, £2. Not too impressed. Guys, we're just gonna go just further out still. Go somewhere further along the lake there. And we'll try. We'll just go like 1 o'clock towards that fire there. I did catch a very good northern pike prior to recording, so I'm hoping I can pull some decent fish. It's always the way, isn't it? So we're just gonna do. We'll just use the first method by lifting the rod and just doing 2 or 3 turns at a time. We'll see if we can go on the 3 dots. Alright, try that. Stop and go, stop and go. And not much at the spot, so let's paddle right along. Maybe we'll just go near those other people fishing there. It's a cloudy day, so might change the lure to the yellow one. Maybe it's brighter. It's quite an overcast day. Water temperature 42 Fahrenheit, 2.2 mile per hour southwest wind. So we'll see. So we're going to go for the lemon tiger this time. And yeah, let's see what we can do. Give that a good cast. And we're going to let it sink all the way to the bottom again. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Try to do one most days, trying to get to 4,000 subscribers. So subscribe, share, and enjoy the videos. And hopefully you're learning from these videos. So I really enjoy making them. So share, like, and subscribe. Support my channel. And keep on fishing. Keep on fishing. I'm just playing with the rod. Oh, is that a? Oh, guys, did you see that? I was just sort of lifting, dropping the rod there, and oh, and you can see that this is a strong fish. This is a strong fish. It's dragging my kayak all around the lake. Yeah. I literally didn't retrieve the rod. I was only doing a right click, which is just like sort of lifting the rod. It sort of creates that sort of motion in the lure. So So maybe some fish down there. Thought it might have been like a predatory type of fish that just saw the jerking and the jerking action of the lure, and it just went for it. And we should hopefully see a fish very shortly. Now notice the tension on my line is quite high, so there's gotta be a good fish. Gotta hit it. I wouldn't dare to take up the tension any higher. You can already see that my reel is being damaged. It's on 55%, so it's still plenty good. And this fish is not showing any signs of slowing down. And I'm hoping that it's less than 44 pounds so I can put it in the keeper net. It's got to be a trophy, I would say, maybe even a unique. Maybe it could be a trout, lake trout maybe. We'll just wind. And again, if you saw my earlier video, I was doing the pump and wind action. Just gonna try to do that. Just need to lift this fish. It's sort of ceased to take line, but it hasn't slowed down. You know, it's still fighting. It's just taking my kayak right across the lake, which is fine. I don't mind. You know, with big fish, you got to take your time, and you got to be very careful, because if you're not, you can easily lose the fish. If you put too much tension, that snaps your line. And this fish is definitely slowing down, but it did take a couple of feet, and I'm just holding the rod tip, just trying to exhaust the fish. So I'll drop the rod, take off a bit of tension, and I kind of gained, and then it took some line again, so I might just kind of do that again, ease up the tension, lift the rod. But as you can see, as I'm lifting the rod, it's sort of going back to that 24 feet. So we'll just do that one more time. We tried to angle it so we can kind of go on the side. Just do that lift and drop action. This time I'm just winding and lift and dropping. I'm just making sure I'm winding as fast as I can, which is at the 4 speed. And we are getting closer. Yeah, that's definitely a good fish. Could be a unique. I'm hoping it's a unique of some sort, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to keep it as well. It is quite expensive to travel to this location, so to make the most of it, you know, you make it a multi-day trip. So you fill up your keeper net, and then you just go the next day. And it does cost $1,000 to stay an extra day, but it's well worth it. As long as you're filling up your keeper net, you definitely get your money back. And here it is, trophy lake trout, $1,231, 27 pounds, 42 inch, and look at the XP, 325 XP gained. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe, and keep on fishing, guys.